Hello, my name is Amber Lantigua, and this is exercise one. So, first, I'll start with um, showing that I have installed the Java SDK, which you can see here in my File Explorer. It's located under the program files in the Java folder. The environment variable for the Java JDK has been added as an environment variable. Eclipse has also been installed here, along with installing Eclipse. Apache Tomcat has been installed, and I'll show running that in my command prompt. So you can see that Apache is running, and then I'll go to localhost 8080 in my browser. Let's see. Hmm, let's see. Okay, so you can see that Apache is loading. I had to stop the server from running in Eclipse in order for it to run from the command line. So going back, um, I did import the exercise package into Eclipse. So I will show that after I shut down Apache. Okay. So here you can see that database was imported. So I went to File, Import, Projects from Folder Archive. I went to the directory where I installed the zip file from the database repository on GitHub and was able to click Database Master and import the database file here. After that, I went to Properties. I right-clicked on the database folder in the Project Explorer, click Properties, and I was able to set up my Java compiler as well as my project facet to match the same Java version, applied those changes, and closed out. Um, I also added the server here for Tomcat, so I'm able to start the server here in Eclipse. I can also run this people list.jsp file right here from Eclipse if I click run on server, and it loads here in my browser. Um, let's see. Okay, so if I check the compiler, um, I run, let's see, let me open a new command prompt. So if I run this command here, cd into documents folder. Okay. And I put space. Okay, and then I will paste that code. I pasted the compiler code for test1.java, and I don't get any output, but I don't get any errors. So I'm hoping that is what I need to see. I also set up GitHub and Eclipse. So if we go here, back to Eclipse, you can see the Git repository has been added. The name of the repository is Database Management Systems. So I did create that repository in my GitHub account. It's Database Management Systems as a new repository. Click the HTTPS link to clone it within Eclipse and added it as an existing repository. So everything should be set up there. And I believe that was the last step. And that is all. Thank you.